This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Greg Pereira. Beautiful fully furnished 4-bed/2-bath split floor plan ranch home west/heated private pool nestled in desirable Wilton Manors. This home features high-end furnishings throughout, tile floors, updated open concept kitchen and amp, updated bathrooms. It has a comfy enclosed Florida room with dining table, seating, and TV. Outdoor area is perfect for entertaining, featuring a modern pool west/sun shelf, lounge chairs and amp, seating area with a swing egg chair. Outdoor barbecue grill by the pool and miniature golf. A total of 5 smart TVs, 3 out of 4 bedrooms, living area and outside covered patio. Expansive private driveway allows you to park up to 4 cars. Stackable washer/dryer and amp, gated dog run on the side of the home. Excellent location close to Las Olas, beaches, downtown, restaurants, shopping and amp, entertainment. For more information, review the details below.